My name is Anthony Milliken, and I'm with the Rotary Club of Chula Vista, Eastlake. Did you know Rotarians at Work Day is a global day of service? It's true, and it involves Rotarians from around the world joining together to do good in the community and do good in the world. Here locally, the Rotary Club of Chula Vista Sunrise and the Rotary Club of Chula Vista Eastlake joined together to renovate and repair the community garden at Otay Elementary School. Let's hear more about this amazing community project in this episode of the Rotary Roundup.
Hi, I'm Veronica Delgado, and I'm the super proud principal here at Otay Elementary School. And we're here in our school garden that we are very proud of. The school garden provides just such a wonderful enrichment opportunity for our students. We give them this outdoor learning space. They have hands-on experience in growing plants, growing food, eating that food, being a whole part of understanding that growth cycle, not just in books, but seeing it firsthand here in our garden. We're also very fortunate. We have an amazing champion in our third grade teacher, Mrs. Gonzalez, and she put together an application for the Sage Garden Project grant, and we have had that grant program here for 3 years at Otay.
Hi, my name is Laura Gonzalez. I'm a third grade teacher at Otay Elementary, and today we're super fortunate. We have the Rotary Club of Chula Vista, Eastlake branch, came, and our community came together, and we're doing a huge spring cleaning. So we're so excited to have our garden have a whole new makeover and get ready for the new school year. We're so fortunate. We have the Sage Garden Project, a grant that was we were able to hire a garden and nutrition educator. So she goes out every week and she does garden lessons. The kids learn about worms, and they help plant, and they do garden lessons. And then they also do a day in the nutrition lab where they're harvesting and cooking actual meals in the nutrition lab. So it's a really great connection and balanced curriculum that our kids are exposed to, and we're so fortunate to have. Yeah, sometimes they'll pick they'll like, wait, that's how a tomato's grown? Or they've never seen like a cucumber come out of the ground, and they just so used to seeing it in the grocery store. So it's amazing to see kids and how excited they get from learning new things.
With a garden teacher and nutritionist who actually does lessons here for our students in the garden, and that includes, like I was mentioning, growing food, how we eat the food, the importance of just all the nutritional value of the food that is grown and knowing what you're putting into your body. She has amazing connections across content areas. She reads wonderful books about growing plants and gardens and connections to science curriculum as well. And it's just such a fabulous opportunity to get kids out of the classroom into the garden for some authentic learning experiences.